Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not really a tutorial, but just showing you guys how I freehand all of the faces in my portraits. As you know, I'm a self-taught artist, so I've come up with like my own methods and ways of doing things. So this one is not 100% my own method, but I'm pretty sure that I don't do it the technically correct way, like the way most artists who like go to art school learned how to do it or how to use it. But this is how I do it, and it's been working for me, and it's really simple but helpful when it comes to accurate proportions. So the first step that I take is I draw the shape of the face, and I do that by drawing either a circle, an oval, or a square, depending on if the face is round or long or whatever. For this example, I'm doing, I guess I did like kind of an oval slash square shape, but the person in the photo, which is me, has an oval face. So after that, I outline the details of the face, like the actual like cheeks and hairlines and everything like that. And the shape that I originally draw is going to be like the most outer part. So I just draw those shapes within that oval. And I always start with the chin and jawline or the forehead. So either the bottom of the face or the top of the face. Because to me, those are the easiest parts, and they usually have like a more defined shape that's easier to map out. And plus, once I draw those, I can see how much distance is between the ears and the forehead, or the ears and the chin, and, you know, etc., etc. And once I find where the ear is, I can see where the cheek sits relative to the ear. If it's higher or just below or on the same level. I pretty much have like a starting point, and I draw everything else in based on where they sit in relation to that starting point. So yeah, now that I have the outline of the face, I can place the features more accurately. And to do that, I draw 4 guidelines. So this is the part that I kind of like took from, like, I guess how you typically learn how to draw faces, but I don't think I do it exactly the same way, but whatever. So I draw 4 guidelines, 3 across and 1 down. The first one is where I want the pupil of the eyes to sit. And the second guideline is where I want the nose to sit. The third one is where I want the bottom lip to sit. And the vertical line goes through the center, and it curves to the direction that the face is turning, which is why mine is curved towards the right. And that line shows me where the middle of the face is, so that I can space the eyes apart correctly, and so that the lips and the nose aren't too far off to the right or the left. In this case, I saw that the nose sits right where the ear and the right cheek sit, so that's why I drew my second line, and so on and so on. Everything else I add, like eyebrows and wrinkles, are things I look to the other features to figure out where to place them. Like, oh, the eyebrow starts where the left nostril starts. That's why I draw it. None of this is an exact science, and it's not going to be 100% accurate, but I can say out of every method I've tried outside of gridding, this has given me the best results. So I hope this video was helpful for anyone trying to get into freehand drawing portraits. If it was helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Definitely comment and let me know what methods you use to get accurate proportions when you freehand faces, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.